like I said, there is some great thing that you have already achieved in your little Tableau career. So, what is
Thank
that?
you.
You earned a whiz of the day, you know. I mean, on your fifth whiz, right on Tableau Public, fifth or sixth.
Yes, I guess. Yes. I don't remember. It's so weird. I don't remember. I guess, yeah, fifth, maybe. I'll have to go back and see this.
She got whiz of the day at very early stage of her Tableau career. So there is something special about her, but nevertheless, we can keep trying. So, Mani, I'm going to give you, the stage. You talk about, what was your idea, what was your data, all that was running through your mind while preparing that visualization, and the feeling once you got recognized for whiz of the day, guys.
Okay, so a very embarrassing story is coming up. So if you like that, keep watching. I it was just another Makeover Monday data set for me because New Year resolution. I was like, okay, this year I'm gonna participate in all of them, and I've already broken it, by the way. Uh, so I started, and I was like, the stripes, yellow, sorry, orange and blue stripes were very famous for this, for actually showing, cold and hot visualizations. So I
Yeah.
was like, I want to try that one. That was in my mind. So I chose data set, I picked it up. I make three charts, one for, because, it was divided in northern, southern, and global data set, the data for temperature, how the world is heating up over the time, over the years. So I was like, I'll make three of them to show all of them individually and then combine them in the dashboard. So I made this layout again on my exercise sheet. Like, okay. And again, obviously, I had to have my heading at the top, some lines, and then the visualization. That's just my way of doing it. So that was all set. And it was seriously just another. And now the embarrassing part comes. I did not know what a voted is. I did not even know that exists. Okay, I was not at all well versed with all the taboo terms which are being used in the community. There are so many. And the featured page, the public gallery. My teacher told me just have a look at it. They contain a lot of visualizations. You will get ideas from there. So I was like, okay. I mean, I thought that somewhere some people sitting in a Tableau office, I'm making it, putting it on there. So I had no idea like these are the wishes of people just like me who are doing a good job, and that's why it's on there. And I had again. So Adam Miko, he texted me on Twitter that congratulations on your first voted, and I was like, what is a voted?
Yay! What
Yeah,
was the feeling?
seriously. So the first feeling was actually I was very happy because he's congratulations, so it was something good. So I was beyond happy, and I went to Google. I was like, what is a voted? I got to know, and that's I seriously was like, I don't know, cloud nine or something. I was very very happy about this. I started texting my teacher who taught me Tableau. I texted few of my friends. I was like, I got voted. I got voted. Although people didn't even know what a Tableau software is, my friends, but I was like, it's something good. Just be happy. Just it's something good. Be happy.
Yeah,
So it was an amazing feeling. I was very excited. I mean, I think my BP went better a bit here and there because I was so happy.
for good.
Yeah.
You said cloud nine. I would have been a cloud 90. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I mean, you get my point, right?
I'm just trying to bring up a bad joke. But never mind. So, Vani, would you like to present that visualization if it's handy?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. I'll do my screen share.
Yeah, I can see that.
Great.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Vani's public profile.
So this is the visualization, right? Like I said, heading in the between, then charts, and then a little bit of text. This was all. I mean, like I said, I love the color black, and I was in the black mode. Like if you see my visualizations, they are mostly black, and it actually like fitted very well. These colors, they went very well with black. So that was a good thing about it. That's all. Like I just said, I like using icons also in my data visualization as like whenever I can. So this was it. Heading, a text, the charts, and that's it. A few lines explaining what I've done and explaining what's happening in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's always like we discussed, it's always good to get a bit of context, right, about your
Yeah.
visualization and keep it simple. That's it.
Though visualizations are pretty self-explanatory, but for those, who are new,
Yeah,
it's good to keep some liners that, this is what it's all about.
totally. And even if someone is not new,
Yeah.
it's always good to tell something about it. It helps.
Yeah. So, Vani, just walk us through what this visualization is telling us. I just mentioned it's self-explanatory, but then I'm asking you to present and show.
Definitely. So basically, it's, these colors, like I said, blue is a warm color, and orange, like we say, it's fire. It represents, something hot. So that was my idea behind this, that, it's saying that over the years, like it's year, it starts with 1880 and it's end with 2020, 2020. Okay. So it's saying like, how over the years the temperature has risen and how we are in the state of global warming, right? It's no more a climate change. It's like a climate crisis, like I said, for us, because you can see, right? It's slowly and slowly, it's getting hot over here in the years from around 1980s or something, right? And then you can see it just keeps getting darker and darker, right? And globally also in northern and in southern hemisphere, so it just says how, in like just at a look, you can just see that, in the initial it was cold and then it starts getting warm. So that was about it.
So I've noticed, very simple visualizations are the most effective ones
Totally.
because,
Yes.
yeah, they didn't need to be complex to be effective.
Like I said, I mean, I love minimalistic designs. Like when people have only, few charts and the texts are simple to read, there's a lot of spaces. I love those kind of visualization because they're so clean that first of all, you would want to look at it, right? And just because there are not thousands of charts, again, you would want to sit around and actually invest your time at looking at those few ones. Because honestly, right, if I'm working and I see a visualization which is like 50 charts, I wouldn't go and check it out. I'm like, it will take a lot of time, maybe sometimes else. Right. So it's
Yeah.
always good to keep it as simple as possible.
This is the visualization Vani got the whiz of the day for, and she was not sure why. When people started going to her and congratulating her, that is when she realized, oh man, I have made something better in life.
Yeah.
So, Vani, just go to your Tableau public, and how many visualizations that you have already submitted there?
So the initial ones were like, the class homeworks, I would say, which I was
Yeah.
doing on Tableau. I actually started with Wow. Like the first thing was the Wednesday challenges, Wow Wednesday challenges, right? And some of them are still on my PC. I did not upload them. They were very bad. And then I went to Makeover Monday. This was the first one in 2020. And it was like from way, way back. I just saw this kind of visualization. I was like, let me try and remake this in like with some changes. Right. It was completely inspired by, I guess, Michael. The name is over there if you see. Then again, the Great Cycle Boom. I guess this was the first visualization, yeah, week one of 2021. That's when I was like, I'll do all of them. Resolution, right?
Wow, you have been submitting every Monday, is it?
Yeah, I have, but then, like I said, resolutions are meant to be broken, and this week's I did not do. I've already started not doing them.
You know what?
So,
There is something that's catching my eye all the time, and that's third visualization. It's so pretty.
which one? This third or this third?
Yeah. No, this third, Valentine's.
Yeah, actually, the first draft was like very, very bright. Even I could not see it.
Mhm.
So I got some suggestions like MMViz review. Like I guess Siddhant mentioned, if you give your MMViz review hashtag, it will get reviewed probably. So I got lucky and mine got reviewed, and I was asked to make a lot of changes. I made some as much as possible. I made it light for sure, synchronize the axis and all.
Uh,
But yeah, even I like it.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I just told you offline as well. This is one visualization which is catching my eye all the time. It looks like a poster. So, Vani, we have plans to go live and share some of your good work, and maybe, give all the experience and guidelines that you have been following, and you are at the stage right now, and you are completely in love with this creative visualizations. So,
Yes.
we might plan to go live, you guys. Just comment in there and tell us, which is the visualization across Vani's public gallery, so that Vani would like to share live, and she will be more than happy. Look at her face; she's so happy person.
No, internally I'm so nervous. Oh my god.
You don't look like you are doing a great job, Vani. Great job you're
Thank
doing.
you. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Vani, is there anything else that we want to cover today?
Oh my god, so many things just keep popping up. This is all I remember for now. There are so many things which I will definitely remember right after the call ends. So I'll probably keep commenting just by the way.
Yeah. So guys, cheer her up because she's such a nice girl. I mean, I absolutely love her energy, and I am so waiting to have a live session with her and show you guys her Valentine week pre visualization, for which she got her Viz review as well. So in matter of 5 6 months, she has already won Viz of the Day for her climate change visualization, and she has already got her Valentine's visualization reviewed. So that's the great shape that you are in right now, Vani. You're doing great in your career, and I wish you all the best. And people watching her, of her
Thank you so
age,
much,
you
Nikita.
are true inspiration for them. So please comment for her, cheer her up. She totally deserves that, whatever she has got in life. And I will, leave it to Vani how she wants to tell you guys goodbye.
So definitely I'll just say a normal goodbye because I'm very bad at it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting to all of it that you have been doing. It has really helped me a lot. Trust me when I say this has been the biggest motivating factors. Or maybe, just maybe, I would have left visualization also, like I left so many other things. So thank you so much for that, guys. And yeah, please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I would be more than happy to help in any way possible.
Yeah. So guys, just one thing to call out. It's not the only thing that that you have to know Tableau to do all these things. If you are using,
Yeah.
any other tool, by the way, Click or maybe Power BI or any other visualization tool that I'm not specifically mentioning, all these things are also possible there. I can make a separate video on all the tools covering people who are using it. So, but yes, for now, Vani is using Tableau, and that is why we showed you Tableau and how she achieved all of those things. Don't forget to let me know how you like this logo T-shirt, and yeah, if you want it as well, and which color. Okay.
Just send Nikita our address.
Yeah. Mhm. And I will think it, I can actually give a contest around it, win my swag.
Definitely.
Thanks, Mani. This is one initiative that I'm going to bring up it. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and bye bye. Until next time we
Thank
meet.
you, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.
So great talking to you, Nikita.
Same here.